Okay, so I have 3 web pages already set up for my class. I've developed an online syllabus, course descriptions, and another page. What I want to do is I want to link these together via an index page. I have downloaded a free HTML editor called SeaMonkey. If I go to Windows and Composer, here's my editor. And I'm just going to copy and paste or type in the information that I want. Here's the information that I'd like to link together. Each one of these has a corresponding file. When you open up the SeaMonkey editor, you'll see that a lot of these options look very much like Word. Maybe I want to add some different kind of formatting. Maybe I want to make it bigger, bold. Maybe I want to make the color of the font blue. Play around just a little. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I want to link my course syllabus to this text. I highlight the text that I want to link. I go to the link option, choose file, choose the syllabus, and hit open. However, I notice immediately that something's gone wrong. As you can see, it's linking to my C drive, which is my local hard drive. If it remains like this, if I upload it to the web, the people out there on the general World Wide Web will not be able to find their way back to my local hard drive in order to view this image. Basically, they're going to get one of those empty boxes. So something's not quite right here. So I'm going to hit cancel. And then I realize that I haven't saved this file yet. It's still untitled. So let's try that. We're going to go to File, Save As. We'll give it a title, Index HIST 1101. Oops, typo. And click OK. And I don't want the file name to be this complicated. The first file in a directory should just be plain old index. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll save this here. And now that I saved it, we'll see if that problem has resolved itself. If I go to Course Syllabus and I go to Link, choose a file, choose Course Syllabus, and now you see that it doesn't have my local information, it just has the file name. One thing that you'll notice about this file name is that there's a %sign and a 20. The reason this happened is because when I built the course syllabus, I saved the file name as course, blank space, syllabus. And whenever you have a blank space in your file name, it's going to do this. And that can make your URLs a little odd and problematic for users. So one best practice is to try to avoid using any blank spaces. But it should still work. So we'll just go ahead and hit OK. Okay, now you see that that's a hyperlink. We're going to go here to Course Descriptions and Readings. We'll choose that file. Good. We'll go to Frequently Asked Questions. Choose that. And there we go. We have our HTML file now. All I have to do is upload it. But before we do, let's take a moment to look at some of the options down here. There is an HTML source tab, so that we can look at the code. In a previous tutorial, I showed you that this same document, granted it did have an image and 2 or 3 more lines at the bottom, but basically it was 561 lines of code. This one is about like 20 maybe, 20 or 30. So this is an example of the Microsoft bloat that we have talked about thus far in the class.